In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for Discord servers on your mobile. So we're going to start by opening up the Discord application, and if you scroll all the way down in this left-hand navigation, we can click on the plus icon. Now click on join a server, and if you already have an invite link, then you can go and join a server directly from here. Now if you don't already have a link to a Discord server, then you can go and search for public Discord servers to go and join. Now you can do this by opening up an internet browser, type in Discord Discovery, and then go and press search. Now click on the top website, which is Discord servers, and then you can scroll down this list to locate the server that you want to go and join. You can always use the search box as well if you want to join a specific server. So let's say I wanted to join a Minecraft server, I can go and search for the word Minecraft and click search. Once you've found a server that you want to join, just click on it like so. Click on join server, and that's going to take you directly over to the server, and we can click on accept invite, and just like that we have now joined this server. So that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.